Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies with a showdown between the Corsair RM1000e and the Corsair RM750e. Buckle up because this is going to be a power-packed episode. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The RM1000e comes in at $179, while the RM750e is a more wallet-friendly $99. Reviewers say the RM750e is a great deal for those on a budget, but the RM1000e is recognized for its premium quality and features. If you want to flaunt your power supply, the RM1000e might be your jam. Next, let's discuss modularity. Both power supplies are fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need. Reviewers appreciate the modular designs of both, noting that they make cable management a breeze. So, no real winner here, it's a tie. However, the RM1000e might give you some bragging rights for its superior cable management. Moving on to certification, both the RM1000e and RM750e are Intel ATX 3.0 certified, meaning they can handle the latest PCIe Gen 5 platform. Reviewers have noted that this certification ensures stability during power spikes, providing peace of mind. Now, let's get to the sound check. Both power supplies feature a 120mm fan that operates quietly. Reviewers highlight that both units are relatively silent, making them great choices for gaming or late-night work sessions. It's like having a ninja in your PC. Alright, capacitor lovers, here's the scoop. Both the RM1000e and RM750e come with 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, which reviewers say helps them handle heat well during high loads. Whether you're running a demanding setup or keeping it casual, you're in good hands with either option. Finally, let's talk about modern standby. Both power supplies are compatible, allowing for quick wake-up times. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it makes booting up their systems a breeze, especially after being in standby mode. In summary, the Corsair RM1000e is praised for its premium quality and performance, while the RM750e is celebrated for its affordability and reliability. Both power supplies receive high marks for their modularity and quiet operation. So there you have it, folks. The RM1000e and RM750e are both fantastic power supplies, catering to different needs. If you're looking for performance and don't mind spending a bit more, the RM1000e is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want quality, the RM750e is your best friend. Remember, whether you're powering your gaming rig or your grandma's old PC, make sure you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.